1974 Pontiac Trans Am here at Unique Specialty and Classics to check out. Real deal Trans Am 2V in the VIN. Original 400 cubic inch engine car. Now has a 455 V8 underneath the hood. Still retains the original 4-speed manual transmission. Some numbers matching trans. Power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at this front fascia. Of course, a screaming chicken, if you will, in the hood. That is a functioning shaker hood also. There is a flap on this side that when I start it up, I'll show you how it works. It will open up. Let that engine breathe. Sure, that's got to sound amazing going down the road, especially with the exhaust on this thing. And Buccaneer red. What more do you want? Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Radial tires and honeycomb wheels. Gotta love those in the Trans Ams also. You can see this paint shows well, has a nice shine to it. You may find an imperfection here or there. It's one of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Little mid-70s muscle for you. Bucket seats, black vinyl. There's your center console. And this was originally a bucket seat car. Black vinyl is the original color interior, as is the Buccaneer red, paint code 75 on the paint, and the 596 on the black vinyl trim. And A51, I believe it was, on that cowl tag or data tag for the bucket seats. And you'll be able to see the VIN, that cowl tag in the still pictures, the underside, probably over 100 pictures of this car online. Another thing to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. True dual exhaust, front to rear. Technician also mentioned front brake 70%, rear at 60. Good to go there. And once again, all those still pictures, you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're into Trans Ams, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Maybe just like 70s muscle cars. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. You can do that online or right off our showroom floor. If you make it to see us in person, we'd like that. And I'm sure you'd like to see all the cars indoors, climate-controlled environment. And you can look at over 100 and, man, got to be up to 120, 150 right now. Vehicles like this. Check out this interior a little closer. All right, door panels looking good. Carpeting's nice, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures. I have the floor mats out for the still pictures. Bucket seats, you can see really free of any rips, tears, holes, really much wear at all. Like I said, we're going to start this up, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. Dome light working. Headliner looks good. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. If you stick around to the very end of this video, you're going to see how this car drives out too. We'll take it down the road, run it through the gears, so to speak. All right, so 455 underneath the hood now. Original 4-speed manual. Does have an aftermarket Kenwood. That is working. All right, gauges. The voltmeter came up, fuel gauge up to half. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the temp gauge to be up. Tack is working. Now, I mentioned that shaker hood, and you can see that door will open under throttle. Dash looks good. Thing sounds good too. Door closes nicely. Let's listen. turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds. Gotta love the front end of the 74s also. All right, let me pause this a second. I want to pop this hood. Let's check out that engine bay. All right, hood liner. Underside of the hood looks good. There it is. 455 Edelbrock 4-barrel on there. Again, power steering, power brakes. Good looking, clean, tidy engine bay. There is a battery disconnect, I believe. Yes, right over here. When it's in storage or in between drives. HEI ignition. Smooth runner, sounds good, looks good underneath there. 1974 Pontiac Trans Am, real deal, Buccaneer red. 4-speed. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1974 Pontiac Trans Am with the shaker style hood and the bird on the hood in bright red with black interior. This is 4 on the floor manual transmission. Very nice running Trans Am. Good clutch feel of this car. You can see we've got an air, I guess you might call it a restrictor right there on the back of the cowl induction acting shaker style hood scoop. If I hit the throttle, it opens up. Very cool. Camwood stereo in the dash. Our water temperature is around 180. The oil pressure is at 80 psi. Tachometer on the left working well. This is clock equipped. Now the speedometer is saying we're doing 40. That looks about right. I slowed down a little bit. Windshield wipers also working. Blower motor works. I have the heat on today. It is a little chilly in Minnesota. Nice looking, comfortable vinyl bucket seats in this Trans Am. Brakes feel good. Clutch also feeling good. This car corners nicely, doesn't lean very much. Take a look at all the pictures of this great looking 1974 Pontiac Trans Am at uniqueclassiccars.com.